All right, guys, we're doing a two-box select break. Thanks for filling this one. We're going to do a divisions break. So people I've got in this break are, I've got Alex, I've got Jaime, I've got Kelly for 2, and I am in for 2. And thanks, everybody. I got all your payments in. Here is how we're going to do this. We've got the names here. We're going to random, but well, let's do the dice roller first. This will determine how many times we're going to do all the randoms. So dice roller first. Well, if it ever decides to, there we go, 10 times. 10 times on the randoms. Uh-oh. Okay. Are we back? All right, so anyway, all I did was the dice roll, and the dice roll came up as 10 times, so we'll just basically go 10 times. Otherwise, let me bring this up. Make sure that came up. Yep, there we go. Okay, so we're going to go 10 times, guys. We're going 10 times, and there we go. We've got Alex, Jaime, Cyrus for 2, and Kelly for 2. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Got Cyrus on top and Alex on the bottom. Right. So now we are going to do the divisions. And we're going to go 10 times on the divisions. Good luck, everyone. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Southeast on top, Pacific on the bottom. We got Southeast on top and Pacific on the bottom. So let me print these babies out. All right. Well, I don't think I think Kelly got the division of choice. All right. Here are our divisions. Southeast. I've got Atlanta, Washington, Miami, Charlotte, and Orlando. Jaime, Central. Jaime, you got a nice one. Cleveland, Milwaukee, Chicago, Indiana, and Detroit. You got 2 of the top teams in Milwaukee and Cleveland. Kelly, you got the Atlantic, which is Boston, Philly, New York, Toronto, and Brooklyn. Philly and Boston are both good in this product. Southwest, I've got Houston, Memphis, San Antonio, Dallas, and New Orleans. That's kind of the dud division. Northwest is the top division probably because it has Minnesota and Oklahoma City and Utah. That's for Kelly. And then Alex, you got another solid one with the Lakers and Golden State. So everybody's got good teams in this one. Good luck, good luck. I'll kind of announce as we go because I'm not really good with the division, so I'll kind of announce the hits as we go. Box number 1. Box number 1, good luck, good luck. Space, and I shipped the Prisms. So Dante Exum of the Jazz and Allen Iverson of the Nuggets. Wow, that's weird. Allen Iverson as a Nugget. So those I will divide up and ship. That one's an auto. We'll save the auto. There's autograph right there. Space. We've got a Jose Calderon and a copper for Phoenix, Eric Bledsoe. And Nate Thurmond center. The copper is numbered 44 of 49 for Phoenix. Phoenix, I believe, is... Let's see what Phoenix is. I don't want to misspeak, but I think it's the Pacific, isn't it? Yeah, Phoenix is Pacific, which goes to Alex. And goes to Alex. All right, next up, got a red. TJ Warren of Phoenix again. Rookie card for Phoenix. 135 of 149. That one goes to the Pacific again. There's a pile for the Pacific. It's just a filler. Clyde Drexler and Bellinelli. Drexler is, I always double check that. I think Drexler either Houston or, I think he's Houston, isn't he? Drexler the Rockets, or is he the Trail? Yeah, it's either Houston or Portland. I'll double check that. It's whoever he is in the product, but I'll double check that one. $100 card? Which card's $100? Are you kidding, Alex? Or is that? I was like... Sorry, guys. I just got a text from Emilian. I think he's taking spots in soccer. Holy, no, sorry. Got excited for nothing. I saw black. I thought it was a black base, but anyway, we got a hit coming up. Oh, it's gold. Wow, we got gold coming up, guys. We got gold coming up. Oh, the copper to 49? Bledsoe? Is he that good? Eric Bledsoe? I don't know. Is he? All right, well, let's go with this one. I don't know who this one's going to be. Copper rookie Heat, James Ennis. James Ennis of the Miami Heat. Miami Heat is Southeast. That goes to yours truly. James Ennis, 32 of 199. And then we've got Scottie Pippen. That one goes to the Bulls. I know that. Scottie. It goes by longevity, how many years they've been with the team, unless they are with a specific team in this product. So I'll see who Drexler's on in this product. And that one goes to the Bulls. Aaron Gordon and Timmy Hardaway. Space. Deron Williams, Jeremy Lin, and Johnny O'Brien. Let me just get this really quick. Hey, Million, what's up, man? I'm doing a basketball break here for a second. No, I'm just, yeah, I'm filling soccer. Right? Did you want? I didn't quite understand your text. Did you want one or? I think 4. Uh-huh. Okay, no problem. Well, I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Okay, thanks. All right, bye-bye. Johnny O'Brien and Isaiah Thomas. All right. We got some good ones there waiting for us. Oh, we got a... No, it's orange. I got excited. I thought it was gold, but it's orange. Good luck. Andre Drummond of the Pistons and Sam Perkins. Andre Drummond, Pistons, is going to be... Where are the Pistons? Detroit has to be north something, right? Or central? Yeah, central. Central goes to Jaime. So central for Jaime. We'll put that on this side. J.R. Smith and Wilt Chamberlain. All right, let's do the auto first, and then we'll do the gold. Let's do the auto first. Good luck. Let's go this way on the auto. Good luck, good luck. Autograph is going to go to, who's it going to be? Whoa, sick. Dr. J. Atlantic. That's going to Kelly. Congrats, congrats, Kelly. Julius Irving, autograph. That's one I've been chasing. That one's one of the nice ones. Irving and Bird. Yeah, that's a very nice hit. Congrats, congrats. Dr. J, numbered. Whoa, nice. Nice low number. 45 of 60. Very nice. Congrats, congrats. Alright, so now we got a gold coming up. We got a gold. Let's see what we got for our gold. Good luck to everyone. I think this is one of those dual patch cards, so good luck. Gold's going to be numbered to 10. Oh, I think that one's going to the house. Dwayne Wade and Luol Deng. Sick patch on the Wade. The Deng kind of plain. Seven of 10. Yeah, that is a very nice hit. That was a really nice box. We had a gold and a Julius Erving auto. So that was a very solid box. Very nice. That was a sick box right there. Those two cards are both very nice hits. All right, let's move on to the next box. Let's pull something sick out of this one. Some gold tie-dye, sick auto. Yeah, I really like it too, Kelly, and they keep raising the price on it, which I guess, but still, for the money, it's really good. On this one and Spectra. Been raising the price on Spectra as well. Alright, let's go on this one. Let's see what we get. Got a blue coming up. Blue Dirk Nowitzki for Dallas. Who's got Dallas? Dallas is Southwest, going to yours truly. Let me grab another box of... Steph Curry. Oh, that's something. I think that's a tie-dye. I can't tell. That's definitely a hit. Can't tell if it's definitely a hit. Can't tell if it's a tie-dye hit or that. I think is also. That's also a hit. Both of those are hits. Brandon Jennings and Eric Gordon. Base. Wow. Wow, we've got a nice couple boxes, guys. I think this is gold coming up. I think we've got 2 boxes, 2 golds. Good luck, good luck. Ray Allen gold. 6 of 10. These sell for big money. Let me see. I've got to do a little research on this one, guys. Got to do a little research on this one. See which team Ray Allen spent. I want to say it's either Celtics or what's the other team Ray Allen was on for a while? It's whichever team he was on the longest.
Milwaukee.
Ray Allen, Milwaukee, or Boston, one of those. Let me figure it out. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me a second, guys. Select. Yep, we go by longevity. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the Bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on Seattle. 1, 2, 3, 4 on Boston. Yep, so it looks like the Bucks are the winner. Who's got the Bucks? Central. Going to Jaime. Congrats, Jaime. These sell really well. These sell for like, I mean, the good players sell for like over $100. I don't know how much Ray Allen sells for, but these sell for really good money. This was a really nice 2 boxes already. Goes to Milwaukee and Jaime. Congrats, Jaime. That's a very, very solid hit. Yeah, it was between Boston, Seattle, and Milwaukee, but he had 5 in Boston, 4 in Seattle, and 7 in Milwaukee. So goes to Jaime. Oh wow, we got an auto coming up there. Let's save that one too. No, we've already gone through all the hits. And we hit a gold, which golds are like bonus hits, you know, if you hit them in the Kemba Walker and Hollis Thompson for the Sixers and Hornets. Base, we've got Tyreek Evans and Tony Snell. And my son's yelling the teams from over the other room. There is Hollis Thompson and Zach LaVine. Yeah, that gold may be as good as any of the other hits we've had. Jabari Parker, wow. All of a sudden, Jaime is going crazy. Very nice. Jabari Parker blue. That's got to be worth some money right there, too. Ooh, he missed his jersey number by 1. 11 of 249. James Young. Milwaukee doing well. Yeah, exactly. Bucks doing really well. Garnett and David West. Let's pack before we get to the hits. Got Vlade Divac and Kyle Korver. Let's do this auto, I guess. See who's it gonna be. We're going this way. Oh my! Oh, I thought it was so close. Another Buck. It wasn't Jabari Parker, but it's Damian Inglis. Jaime and the Bucks are doing some serious work here today. Damian Inglis of the Bucks. $64 of $99. It's all Bucks. Klay Thompson. All right, let's go. Well, that one's going to be, I think that's going to be a, well, let's go for it. I think this one's going to be an auto, I think. I'm not sure. This one's going to be just a jersey card. I think it's tie-dye, but I'm not sure. Good luck. Nice patch. Going to the Sixers. Sixers doing some work. Congrats. That one's going back to Kelly. 5 of 25. Tie-dye. Michael Carter Williams. Sparks. So Sixers and Bucks with a little bit of heat. 2 real solid hit for the Sixers. Nice little pair of Sixers there. Tie-dye and Julius Erving auto. All right, last hit. We've got a Monta Ellis there. Good luck, good luck. Last hit. We've got a Derrick Rose going to the Bulls. And the last, let's see if it's got ink or if it's just going to be a patch. It's got ink. Anybody tell whose auto that is? I have no idea. Ooh, another Miami Heat. Luol Deng. Wow, it's been all about pairs. 2 Heats, 2 Sixers, and 2 Bucks. Luol Deng for the Heat. $7 of $125. Not a rookie. Just a yeah, he's been around for a while. Yeah, sorry, Alex. It looks like the Pacific snoozed on this break. Yeah, it's like there were the 6 hits were, of course, they were like, actually this had 7 hits because really, yeah, I mean, there was that's it. Just couple numbered cards to start, but that was it. There were a couple of really good hits for the Sixers. Wow, how many hits did we get? Heat had 3 hits, too. Three hits for the Heat. 3 hits for the Bucks. Well, this one's kind of not really considered these 2 are actually not really hits. But the Sixers kind of killed it, too. It was a really good 2 boxes though, guys. I mean, usually we got a tie-dye and 2 golds out of 2 boxes and a copper. So very, very solid 2 boxes, I think. Really? That Heat Gold is 150 bucks? Holy crap, I didn't think it was that much. I was guessing about 60, 70 bucks on that one. They're just so pretty. You know, the cards are just, they're very pretty cards. I just, you know, for the money, they're just really good looking cards. You know, I mean, look at these hits. They're just, I kind of ruined that by writing on it. Sorry, Al.
Having trouble. Thanks for the class.
Wow, that's kind of sick.
Did you, when signing up for the class, look at the location?
Yeah, that was a while ago, but still, yeah, can't argue with that. What did the Dr. J's go for? Those gotta sell for decent money too. That Ray Allen gold, I wouldn't be surprised if that sold for decent money too. That's what I was gonna say. That can't be right. 150 can't be right for the. I would say like 50 bucks. That's what I would guess.
Oh, I thought you meant he. What camera? Oh my god, what camera?
God. We need to add codes from the professor to the class.
No, you don't. Action?
Yeah, the Ray Allen went for 54 bucks.
This one is a different class.
Oh, which class are you saying? And why don't you become more classes?
I get it. This one I'm not.
What?
This is what it says.
Oh, where are you starting?
I can log into. I can start this one. Because I want to start here. That one. And this date. Not really. That's the case.
Yeah, Julius Irving Auto would be. I would think that would. Yeah, the last Ray Allen gold sold for 54 bucks there, Jaime.
If you're trying to add,
Yep, Julius goes for about 50 bucks. So pretty solid. I mean, you know, pretty solid. Anyway, thanks guys. All right, let me clear this up and see if we can do some damage with the soccer. Let me grab a empty box for that. Yeah, let me check. I'll check right now. I didn't see any, but I'll double check right now. Yeah, the Wiggins I usually always try to separate out. By the way, if you want base, if anybody wants to just cover the shipping for the base, I'll be glad to ship you all the base cards. I just donate them. Well, that one should be. There's a Jabari. I can ship you that. I don't think so. We didn't have any. No Wiggins base in that break. We did have one Jabari. I'll put that in for. All right, let's see what we've got for the soccer. Yeah, it's kind of a slow night, guys. I don't know if we'll be able to fill this or not. Jaime and Chris Traska have a spot. I have a spot. I think Emilian has a spot. So that would leave 5 left. Let me see what else. I've got a couple of texts. Wow, Kelly, that's give me a sec, Kelly. I'm trying to. Wow. Okay. Let me hold on. Let me IM you, Kelly, really quick, because I want to make sure you. Let me. Let me do this, Kelly. I'll put it down to like. Two spots left. Let's see if we can fill it that way. How many? Let me ask him. All right. Let me send out an email now real quick, guys. I'll try to send out an email, Kelly, and see if I can fill it.
Alright, in the car.
Let me see.
That's okay, I thought it was nice. It was fun. You.
All right, let me text a couple people here. By the way, guys, we are down to one essentially. If anybody wants this last spot, let me know. 2996 Thomas or Alex, Jerry, Ruby. If anybody wants a spot, let me know. Let's see. Just doing some texting here, guys, trying to see if I can rally another person to the cause.
It looks worse now, but let's try it.
It looks worse.
It looks worse now, but it probably is better. Let's just try it.
Let me see
I
it.
need to make sure that it's not as good. It doesn't
Oh,
look
okay.
better than it looks more smooth now. But like, let's try it anyway. It'll probably work somehow because this game is completely.
No, I know what you mean, man.
And because the problem was that it was a stack.
I hope you're right. I'm just waiting to hear back from one person there. All right, let me check with.
Hey, I'm gonna actually use it to clean my rig right now.
Very clean.
My rig hand? Outward from the center, did you do that? Outward from the center.
Oh, outward from the center. I thought it was outward from the center.
I hope that's it right there. I'm telling you, this is a new distributor, so I'm hoping that. Oh, you know what I forgot to do?